Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Festina watch. Today we have a Festina chronograph quartz watch with the date complication, as you can see here, at 3 o'clock. Now, something really important that you can also apply to mechanical watches is that when you want to set the time and date, you first want to set the date, and you are going to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date that we want to set. So let's presume that our end goal is to make it the 15th. I'm going to set the date at the 14th, and then I'm going to go manually with the watch hands past 12 o'clock in order to change it to the 15th in order to know whether I am AM or PM. Now, something really important that you can once again apply to mechanical watches as well is to first pull the crown to the last position where you would actually set the time, and you want to set the time at 6:30. As you could have seen, our date wheel, so the date actually engaged between 9 and 12 o'clock. So this means that the wheels inside the watch engage between 9 and 12 or 12 and 3 o'clock. And in order to protect the watch, so not to damage the date wheel, we are going to set the time at 6:30. So always make sure to set the time at 6:30 first, and you can do this once again on mechanical watches as well, or especially on mechanical watches, in order not to break the gears. Then we are going to push the crown all the way back in, pull it to the first position where we could actually change the date. And now I'm going to rotate, and we are going to make it the 14th. As I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 15th. Now, once I have the 14th, I'm going to pull the crown once again to the last position, and now I'm going to go manually with the watch hands past 12 o'clock. As you can see, we are going past 12 o'clock, and the date did not change this time because we were AM. Now we are PM, and once I'm going to go between 10 and 12 o'clock, you are going to see that the date starts to engage right here, so between 11 and 12, and you can see that the date is going to change at exactly 12 o'clock. Now, there are going to be other mechanical or quartz watches that are going to fully change the date complication, for example, between 12 and 3 o'clock. And now I'm going to go past 12 o'clock, and I'm going to set it at 3 o'clock. And now I know that I am on the 15th, and it is 3 o'clock, so 3 in the morning, 3 a.m. I can go past 12 o'clock in case I want to make it PM. So let's make it 6 p.m. So 6 in the afternoon. As you can see, I'm going now past 12 o'clock. The date did not change. So we are still on the 15th, but now we are PM. So now I'm going to make it 6 p.m. And as you can see, guys, now I know that I am on the 15th and it is 6 p.m. So that is why you first want to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date, so that you can manually go past 12 o'clock and know whether you are AM or PM. Once again, guys, in order to protect the watch movement or the watch gears, for example, on mechanical watches, make sure to first set the time at 6:30. This is something really important that can be applied to almost all watches that have the date complication or the date complication. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to set the time and date on your Festina watch. This tutorial is going to apply to a lot of other watches out there, so make sure to use it wisely. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And guys, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, maybe even leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.